Hello students, let us learn poem number 17, Curiosity. First, I sing this poem for you. Listen it carefully. Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? Which are the children butterflies? Why do people keep winking their eyes? Where do birds sleep? Do bees like to sting? Tell me please everything. Tell me, I want to know. What makes leaves grow in the shapes they grow? Why do goldfish keep chewing and rabbits wobble their noses? Just from habits. Where does the wind when it goes away go? Tell me, or don't even grown ups know? Now let us see its explanation. This poem has many questions, and I think you also have these questions in your minds, as when we think about the some things, or when we look in surroundings, we think about nature, we have many questions about everything. And when you are a child, or a small child has many questions in their minds. So likewise, in this poem also the poet has some questions, and the first question is like, what makes it winter and then spring? Spring is a season after winter. We call in Marathi Vasanta Rutu. So these are the seasons. But who decides which season is on which time, or which season is followed by which season? The poet has this question. Then when we grow up and when we are small, these are all the stages of the life, and we are called by different names in different stages. So the poet wants to know which are the butterflies children. Next question he has, winking their eyes. Winking means what? It is an act of closing and opening eyes quickly. We have that habit, and it's very natural that we wink our eyes. But poet has question, why do we do it? Next question, where do birds sleep? As we sleep in our homes, the birds don't have the homes like us. They have their nest, but they don't have homes like us. So, or the poet may have the thought that as we have the bed or other material for sleeping properly, the birds don't have it. Then how do they sleep? Do bees like to sting? And as we know, sting means it is a weapon of bees, sharp pointed organ of bee. And uh, if we give any trouble to the bee, bees start to sting. But the poet wants to know, do the bee likes, means it is their habit to sting? And poet wants to know everything. He is asking, tell me, please tell him the answers of his questions. Then he wants to know what makes leaves grow. Leaves means what? The trees have many kinds of shapes of leaves. So every tree has different shapes of leaves. So who decide the shapes of leaves, and how do they grow in that particular shape? Another question is of goldfish. Have you seen any fish or goldfish? They have their chewing, means what? They have their habit of chewing, a repeated biting. Chewing means what? A repeated biting. So why do they do it? And rabbits, what do they do? Rabbits wobble their noses. Wobble means what? A short jerk or twitch or wiggle very fast. So rabbits also have this habit, but why do they have this habit? And the poet is thinking that, is it because just habit, or anything else reason is there? Where does the wind when it goes away go? Means when the wind is blowing, where it is going? The all questions are in poet's mind, and he wants to know it, but he is asking at the last, don't even grown-ups know? Means grown up people know these answers? And if they know these answers, please tell the poet. So, in this way, the poet has many questions about the surroundings. Now, let us see the exercise. First question. List any 5 questions that the child in the poem has. Means these there are many questions, and out of these questions you can write 5 questions here. Question 2. List any 3 other questions about birds, animals or natural things that you have. You also have your own questions about birds, animals or natural things. You should write in this question. Question 3. Where can you find the answers to your questions? Write any 2 sources. Means when you have any questions, so how do you get the answers of those questions? Who helps you? You should write here. So in this way we have finished our poem. Listen the explanation carefully and solve the exercise in notebook. Thank you.